want to show you where we are right now. We took a trip. It's about 2 hours from Cincinnati, and it's kind of famous place, and it's really pretty here when you go right now. And place called Rock House. You just take a walk, and I'm gonna show you how it's look when we get there. I just want to share with you what you can do on a Tuesday afternoon when you don't have to work, and you achieve this by getting some rental properties. Okay guys, see you soon. Look how interesting it is. Now we are in the cave. Which was used to hide the treasures one day. Just listen how quiet it is. Not really, because it's a really popular place.
Buy these tractors.
Why do you need to buy these tractors?
So we don't have to drive 2.5 hours.
Okay, it's 2.5 hours from Cincinnati, but look how beautiful. Would you drive 2.5 hours? I would. And we already did it. Look at all those colors.